Get it going.
That
We
fake.
just need more practice in that that mechanic.
Yeah.
We just need to like cleanly make it there so we can get more
I'm just
practice
a
on
backup for Rack.
Oh gosh, Dallas, just make sure you're not near that beam on the AED side.
Oh,
You can't be
okay.
like near it, you know.
it. We gotta make sure people are topped off for that phase 2.
All right, here we go. Ready for the AOE. AOE's gonna be going out here. Prize us up. Get ready for black holes on DPS. Black holes are out on DPS. Make sure you get underneath the boss soon. Go ahead and get underneath the boss. After this, get ready for tank busters on both tanks. Tank busters on both tanks will be going out here shortly. Tank busters are going out. After this, get ready for Spear of Paradise on 0. Spear of Paradise is going to be going out. Alright, vote.
Sure.
Alright, healers, get ready to pass your prey to tanks. Healers, pass prey to tanks. Don't let us die to these preys. Big damage going out on tanks. Get ready for the boss to jump. Behind the boss. After this, get ready for the Delta attack. Make sure to get to your inner cardinals positions with your partners for Delta attack. Don't clip each other with the fire. Inner cardinals. Get ready for AoE. AoE is going to be going out next. AoE's going out. Reprisals up. After this AoE, stack behind the boss. Get ready to rotate clockwise. And bait your 5 puddles clockwise. And you'll get to your beam afterwards. First puddle's out. Second puddle's out. Third puddle's out. Fourth puddle's out. And get to your beam. Don't worry, you have time to adjust, then. Yeah. Alright, get behind the boss. Boss has jumped. After this, get ready for 2 AoEs. These are 2 big
I'll reprisal
hard
this if you
hitting AoEs.
reprisal.
Yeah, I can't reprisal none of these. I just harder light them.
Tactician?
Alright, harder lights up. Get ready for the second AoE. Second AoE, then ad phase. Ad phase it is. DPS
I just can't fight the muscle memory.
What do you mean?
I keep summoning Bahamut.
Oh.
Same. I keep using inner release. I just have to watch as I just burn through.
Alright, make sure to interrupt the mana boost. Make sure to face your ad away from mine. Mana boost is up, you can interrupt it. Yeah, nicely done. You're ready for the 3 mana bursts. First mana burst AoE's going out. Alright. Second mana burst AoE's going out. Ouch. Alright, make sure to top us off once we kill this thing. Just give us full health.
Should live, besides him.
Besides 0.
Yeah. At that HP, everybody should live.
Okay.
Could we just get a Medica 2 there?
I was doing that, but that's a crap ton of my overheals right there.
Get ready.
It doesn't matter. Your mana regen's here.
That's not what I'm talking about.
So does our HP.
Your HP does too. There's no reason if there's unless people are low.
Alright, get ready for Paradise Regained.
So I'm not doing that now.
The boss will be buffing himself up. Alright, remember Tayo's tanking the boss. Paradise Regain. 0, make sure you're on D side. Alright. After this Paradise Regain, make sure to stack with your tanks for the Tank Buster. Stack with your tanks for the Tank Buster. Don't be in the hitbox of the boss. Tank Buster's going out on both tanks. After this...
What?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Alright, get ready for Black Hole on DPS. Stack with your partners. Stack with your partners for Black Hole.
Don't be too close. Just back up and be barely
After
in the
this,
asylum.
everyone stack behind the boss except for tanks. Lightning Tank Busters will be going out. Lightning Tank Busters will be going out on tanks. Everyone else stack directly behind the boss. Lightning Tank Busters going out. After this, DPS, grab praise from healers. Grab the praise from the healers.
I got stickies. Got it.
Alright,
I'll
after
get
this,
Aurelius. I need healing though.
get ready for the
Yes.
Spirit of Paradise on Ty. Spirit of Paradise Tank Buster on Ty. Get ready to evoke soon.
Oh,
Shirt. Spirit of Paradise is going out. After this, get ready for the AoE.
I got
Maybe you
tactician for
did
this
not
one.
like it.
AoE's gonna be going out. Prize was up. After this AoE, get ready for Meteors. Meteors.
shake off.
Meteors gonna be going out. Oh shit, I fucking moved too soon for it. We should be okay though. Yeah.
Just adjust.
Yeah, we're fine, we're fine.
Just running through. There we go. We
Alright.
fucking did it.
Get behind the
We
boss.
did.
Get behind the boss. Just focus. Get behind the boss. After this, get ready for 2 AoEs. He's gonna do Dimensional Shift followed by Eden's Gravity.
I'll Samba.
I got
I don't
some.
have Addle.
AoEs. I got Heart of Light.
Samba.
After these 2 AoEs, make sure to be underneath the boss for Eden's Flare. After these 2 AoEs. Dallas, face the boss north. Alright.
Face it north.
Make sure to be underneath the boss. After this AoE, get underneath the boss. Alright, after you're underneath the boss. Get underneath the boss now, guys. Get underneath the boss. Be
I'm under, I'm
underneath,
under.
Okay. After this, get ready for Tank Buster on both tanks. This is just normal Tank Busters on both tanks. It's Laser Beam Tank Busters on both tanks. Laser Beam Tank Busters on both tanks are going to be going out now. After these Tank Busters on both tanks, get ready for Spirit of Paradise on 0. Alright, Spirit of Paradise is next. Alright, Invoking. After this Spirit of Paradise, get ready for DPS Black Holes. DPS Black Holes are next. After this, get ready for Delta Attack. Get to your inner cardinal position soon. Don't kill each other with the Black Holes. Get to your inner cardinal position soon
Is that enough?
with your partners.
Yeah.
Get to inner cardinal positions. Inner cardinal positions. Don't kill each other with the fire. Get ready for healers. Healers past the tank.
That was not
Healers,
enough. Okay.
healers past tank prey. Healers past tank prey.
I don't have it.
Akari passed me prey.
already
Oh
gave you
shit,
prey.
Akari's dead. He can't.
I
He
tripped.
can't.
It doesn't.
Oh, I
Just
got it.
healer
I got
will
it.
be
Fuck.
3.
Okay. You ready
Healer
for the
will be
AoE? AoE's next. AoE's next.
Killer Elviser?
AoE's next. AoE's next. After this AoE, get ready for meteors once again. Meteors once again.
Oh, I just died. I don't know what killed me.
I got it. I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
Help me kill this one.
I'm helping, I'm helping.
After
Okay.
this, get ready for the boss to jump. Get behind the boss soon.
I don't have swift cast yet.
Get behind the
I
boss. Get behind the boss.
I should not have taken that.
Get behind the boss.
Rescue him if you can.
After this, get ready for 2 AoEs, and then we're gonna
Oh.
get underneath the boss.
I got you.
Thank you.
Alright, get ready for the 2
Oh.
AoEs. Alright, quiet
Stay
comms. 2 AoEs. And then make sure to get underneath the boss after this next AoE. Make sure to get underneath the boss after this next AoE. Why does he have the boss?
Sin is tanking.
I got it, I got it. Alright, get underneath the boss after this AoE.
Tactician.
Nice.
Be underneath the boss. After this, he's gonna do Paradise Regain. Make sure to stay underneath the boss. He's gonna do Paradise Regain, and then you're gonna stack with your tanks for the laser tank busters. That's shortly. Don't get in front. Wait. Underneath the boss. All right. Stack with your
Yeah.
tanks. Stack with your tanks. Stack with your tanks. Tank buster on both tanks. Stack with your
Back
tanks.
up a little, baby, so that he's not under the...
All right. Now get ready for the black hole on DPS partners. So stack with your partners for black hole after this. Stack with your DPS partner for black hole. Alright, stack with your DPS partner for black hole.
Be under the boss. Suki,
Yeah.
you're too close.
After this, get ready to stack behind the boss. And then lightning
shit,
and tank
guys.
busters. on both
Hey.
tanks.
We did it.
Yay.
Fuck yeah.
All right.
Alright.
Took a little longer, but we got it.
Okay.